Getting the something went wrong error on your PS5 games? Here's how to fix it fast. First, restore your licenses. Go to Settings, then Users and Accounts. Select Other, then Restore Licenses. Click Restore and wait. Now, try launching your game. Still not working? Let's move to the next fix. Next, update your system software. Go to Settings, then System. Select System Software Update, then choose Update using Internet. Updating your PS5 can fix many game errors. Still not fixed? Try Safe Mode. First, turn off your PS5 completely. Then, hold the power button until you hear 2 beeps. Connect your controller via USB and press the PS button. Now, select Restore Default Settings or Rebuild Database. This won't delete your games, just refreshes system settings. If nothing worked, reinstall the game. Press Options on the game, select Delete, then reinstall from the game library. Hope this helped. Drop a like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more quick PS5 fixes. Peace out.